All right, guys, welcome. Check, check. Let's see if the audio is fine. Let's see if the audio is fine, right? And how is the picture quality? So let me know. Let me know. Let's get started right away. Okay, so I believe the audio is good. All right. Okay, so right now we are going to jump into a trade. There's a setup we analyzed together yesterday, and that is Euro GBP. So we analyze Euro GBP to come into this zone, and we look for a buy, and currently is on that zone. So jump in for a buy Euro GBP, right? Buy Euro GBP right now. So I'm going to send these details to the channel, the Telegram channel, and also for our students. So just a minute, let me do that. Buy Euro GBP. Let me put it on the on this platform so that let me put it. Yes, no. Buy Euro GBP. Okay, so we're buying Euro GBP. So why you are making your placing your trade? Let me send it to the platform as well. Euro GBP. Try to place the trade. Okay, so we're buying Euro GBP. Then let's go over to our other page, Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD is actually on the man will say it's bearish. Euro USD is bearish. But right now we're having is on the fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. All of this zone here, this is a fair value gap zone. It's currently on a fair value gap, so we are looking to probably buy into that our zone. Remember, we want to buy Euro USD from this zone. So it has not gotten there. So this has broken this particular structure. Then internally, what has it done? We have this high. Let's look at internal structure. Okay, so internally we have this high here taken out. That's a change of character. The market came back, tap into this particular zone here, and already finding his way up. Let's go down to smaller time frame like 5 minutes. Yeah, it's clear here. So we have break of structure here, change of character here. The market pull back into this zone. We tap into this particular zone during the Asian key zone. That's when you tap in there. So and that's what you're seeing. That's what you're seeing right now. The reaction you're seeing in the market now is pulling up. So me, I'll definitely be looking for the market to take out this particular low again. I want this market to take out this particular low. Where is it? Yes. I want to take out this particular low there. And if I see, um, I'll now watch price action movement then before I take that trade. So on 5 minutes, right? So I look at price action movement, and probably if it takes out this particular low, it either reverses from here. I expect it to reverse from there, or probably it can come down lower to this level as well. So each of these two, I'm watching out to see what price will do. I'm watching out to see what price will do at these two zones on 5 minutes. Then I'll jump in for a buy, right? So that is in a buy zone. Okay, so now let's look at okay. So let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD. Hmm. Okay. Yesterday we had this movement, and let's see. We're expecting it to tap into this zone. Let's see what happens. Yeah. So it didn't actually tap into that particular zone, but I think it's actually reversing from off this fair value gap here. So the market is trying to reverse from this fair value gap here. So this fair value gap. So that's what we have here. So the market is trying to reverse from that fair value gap. So if that is the case, so now let's now jump into a smaller time frame, 1 hour. Okay. Mhm. We have this zone here has been broken. Market came back, tap into this small fair value gap. Fair value gap. Okay, it has not tapped into that small fair value gap. We have a small fair value gap here. A small fair value gap here. So let's go down to 15 minutes. Okay, so I think I'll personally be looking for to buy GBP USD when it come back, tap into that other block here, this other block here. That other block has not been tapped into, so I'll be expecting to look for a buy there. I'll be expecting to buy from that particular zone. So I expect this market, and also that will also be taking out the lows of the Asian key zone. So tap into that area. I'll be looking for a buy. USD card. Okay, so USD card. USD card is not ready. Though I jumped into this trade yesterday, so I'm still in drawdown. So getting some few profit, and when reverses back, so I'm still watching it to see what the market will do. Right now, we'll just jump and pass. But then, if you want, GBP is actually selling. We're expecting a sell from GBP USD. We're expecting a sell from GBP USD. Okay. USD JPY. Not showing us what we want to see. Then gold. We'll be looking forward to sell gold, but then gold, we miss the entry. We miss our entry here. So this particular zone, I'll be expecting to look for a buy. Looking to buy from this particular zone. If I see good price action that will give me that motivation to jump in for a buy, I will definitely do that on gold. Otherwise, I'll wait for price to pull back, to come back again into this particular zone before I jump in for a sell, right? Okay, that is on gold. Then AUD USD. AUD USD not ready, we jump and pass. Not ready, we pass. GBP JPY not ready as well, we pass. Euro AUD. Yes, Euro AUD we expect to sell from here, but currently it has tapped into a zone, and that zone is also pushing upward. That zone is pushing upward direction. So let's see what happened here. Let's jump in. That's a 1 hour. So let's see what 5 minutes gives us. Change your character. Oh, the market already pulled back into that zone and it's already a buy. So if you want, you can jump in for a buy on Euro AUD, but I will not want to buy because it's high. It's at the premium level. So I would want to buy if it comes back probably into this particular zone again. If you come back into this particular zone, I'll be looking forward to buy Euro AUD. So let me move it up. Let me move it here. Euro AUD. I'll be looking forward to buy when you jump in into this area. I'm looking to buy. Okay, so now let's go to um okay, GBP AUD. GBP AUD, we are waiting for it here. G card, not yet. NZD USD, we're waiting for it up there. Euro card, up there. AUD card, we're also expecting AUD card up there. But before going up there, we expect it to have a nice zone to look for. We have a nice zone here to look at. Right? We now have a nice zone here to look at. Then Euro JPY, where are you selling? Let's see. Would this be the reason? Okay, so I think it's on is that zone on daily time frame. That's what is pushing price down now. That zone is what price has tapped into. So we may be looking out for entries if this low is taken out. Of course, it's taking out that low soon. This low, when we get that low out of our way, we should be expecting a sell. Should be expecting a buy. I mean to say, and that will probably be here. So that's what we're expecting from Euro JPY. I also move this one up. We're looking for all of these entries. AUD card, okay. GBPCHF. GBPCHF tap into this zone, but I don't like the price action that I'm seeing here. So I don't like that price action. I don't like that price action. So, but let me see if we can frame anything in. Just jump and pass on GBPCHF. So we're on this trade, Euro GBP on it. We're on it already. So Euro GBP and Euro JPY. We're still expecting this to play out probably during the New York session. So I might not be having the time to do New York session now, but what I'll do maybe once in a while I can come up with New York session. But then just be rest assured that whatever I will have, any trade, I always post it on the platform. All right, so that will be the size of our package this morning. So enjoy the rest of your day and bye.